Welcome. Step right up and get ready to embark on a journey of brand transformation. Let's get real. Starting a business today is like shouting in a room, a very crowded room. A room where everyone's already shouting, vying for attention, and trying to make their voice heard above the din. It's a noisy, competitive landscape out there. The internet, in particular, is absolutely packed to the brim with brands. Every conceivable niche is filled, and new ones are popping up every day, all fighting tooth and nail for a sliver of attention from potential customers. It's a constant battle for visibility. So, how in the world do you stand out from that overwhelming crowd? How do you make your brand the one that people notice and remember? You need more than just a cool logo, a catchy slogan, or a visually appealing website. Those are important, sure, but they're not enough on their own. You need a comprehensive strategy, a well-thought-out battle plan that outlines exactly how you're going to achieve your goals. Think of it as a detailed map that guides your ideal customers straight to you, leading them effortlessly through the buying process. Understanding marketing funnels and mastering brand positioning are absolutely crucial elements of this battle plan. These aren't just empty business jargon terms. They're your secret weapons, the tools you'll use to conquer the market. With the right strategic plan in place, you're not just another anonymous face lost in the crowd. You're the sought-after brand that everyone is eager to know, the one that everyone is talking about, ready to transform those lonely crickets into a roaring, enthusiastic crowd of loyal fans. Let's work together to make your brand the life of the party, the one that everyone wants to be associated with. So, grab your notebook, sharpen your pencils. It's time to dive in and start crafting your winning brand strategy. So what exactly is a marketing funnel? It sounds a bit technical, doesn't it? But don't let the jargon intimidate you. Think of it as a roadmap, a carefully planned journey that your potential customers take as they move from being completely unaware of your brand to becoming loyal, repeat buyers. It's a fundamental concept in marketing, and understanding it can dramatically improve your business's success. It's the journey you guide your customers on, from their very first interaction with your brand, all the way through to making a purchase and beyond. The marketing funnel helps you understand and influence their experience. It's about strategically leading them step by step towards becoming a happy, satisfied customer. First, awareness. Get noticed. This is the very top of the funnel, where you're casting a wide net to attract as many potential customers as possible. Social posts, engaging videos, anything to say, hey, I exist, we're here, and we have something valuable to offer. It's about making a memorable first impression and piquing their interest enough to want to learn more. Next, consideration. Now they know you, show them why you're awesome. What makes you different? What problems do you solve? And why should they choose you over the competition? Free guides, informative webinars, or killer product pages that highlight the benefits and features of your offerings. Then, conversion, make it easy for them to buy or sign up. Streamline the process, remove any friction, and make it as simple as possible for them to take the plunge. Finally, loyalty. Deliver such a great experience, exceeding their expectations at every turn. They come back and bring friends. Word-of-mouth marketing is the most powerful kind. It's like dating. You don't propose on the first hello. You wouldn't walk up to someone you just met and ask them to marry you, would you? You build trust, show your best side, demonstrate your value, and make it easy to say yes. Remove any obstacles that might prevent them from committing. The funnel isn't just about sales. It's about building fans, creating a community of loyal supporters who love your brand and what it stands for. Guide them step by step, nurturing them along the way, and you'll turn strangers into loyal customers. Customers who not only buy from you again and again, but also become advocates for your brand. That's the magic of a great funnel. It's not just about making a quick sale. It's about building lasting relationships. Ready to map yours? To design a customer journey that's both effective and enjoyable? Let's go. Let's start building your brand's epic quest for customers. How do you know if your funnel works? Data. Every click, view, and abandoned cart is a clue. Track awareness. Who saw your ad? Consideration. Who clicked through? Conversion. Who bought? If people drop off, something's wrong. Maybe your checkout is confusing or shipping is too high. Data shows you where customers get stuck and where they get excited. Use it to fix leaks and double down on what works. Don't guess. Let data guide you. That's how you turn a good funnel into a great one. Apple is the master of the marketing funnel. Their launches are events everyone pays attention. Their ads don't just sell products, they sell a lifestyle. The Apple Store feels like a futuristic playground, not a store. You try, touch, and imagine their products in your life. Buying is an experience from the packaging to the seamless ecosystem. Once you're in, everything just works together and you never want to leave. Apple turns casual shoppers into lifelong fans. That's the power of a well-built funnel and a strong brand story. Pure genius. So, you've built your funnel. You've carefully crafted each stage from initial awareness to the final conversion. That's fantastic, but the journey doesn't end there. In fact, in many ways, it's just beginning. Great, but you have to keep tuning it. Think of it like a finely tuned engine or a perfectly pitched guitar. It requires constant adjustments to maintain peak performance. Your funnel is the same. It's a dynamic system that needs continuous optimization. KPIs, key performance indicators. KPIs like conversion rate, the percentage of visitors who become customers, and customer acquisition cost, how much you spend to gain a new customer, are crucial. They are your dashboard, providing real-time insights into your funnel's health and efficiency. If numbers are off, if your conversion rate dips, or your acquisition cost skyrockets, something's broken. Diagnose the problem and fix it. Don't ignore the warning signs. A/B testing is your secret weapon in this constant optimization process. Test 2 versions of a landing page, an email subject line, or even a call to action button. See what works best and let the data decide which version reigns supreme. Personalize the customer experience, but don't be creepy about it. There's a fine line. Hey, we noticed you like blue shirts. Check out our new collection. Is good, helpful, and relevant. We know your hamster's name is Mr. Nibbles and he prefers organic sunflower seeds is definitely not. Use data to make customers feel special, understood, and valued, not stalked, monitored, and uneasy. Keep your funnel fresh with updated content, relevant to your audience, and always maintain a human touch. The right tweaks, the subtle adjustments, and the personalized touches turn casual browsers into loyal buyers. Stay curious about your customers, keep testing new ideas, and always strive to improve your funnel's performance. That's how you win in the long run, by constantly refining and optimizing your approach. People buy stories, not just products. They invest in narratives that resonate. Your brand story is its soul, the fundamental why behind what you do. Nike's Just Do It isn't just about shoes. It's deeply about empowerment and pushing your limits. Consistent storytelling across every channel truly makes your brand unforgettable and recognizable. If you're playful on TikTok, then ensure you are playful everywhere else too. Own your story. Are you the underdog, the expert, or perhaps the adventurer? Weave it into everything, your logo, your words, your images. When your story truly clicks, you build a world people genuinely want to join. That's real and lasting brand power. The future of marketing is here. AI, automation, AR, and more. AI personalizes recommendations. Automation handles the boring stuff. And AR lets customers try before they buy. But tech is useless without teamwork. Marketing, sales, and service must work together, like a band playing the same song. Collaboration and leadership keep your funnel running smoothly. The takeaway? Use smart tools, tell a great story, and build a team that works in sync. The business world is wild, but you've got what it takes. Be bold, keep learning, and build something amazing. You got this.